Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, guys, Scorpios. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys, Scorpios. If you want more clarity, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that may clear your doubts or answer the questions you have in your mind about your situation, guys. So let's see what are these cards, guys. We have Moon, Ring, and Rider. So Scorpios, in your situation, guys, in your work situation or in your relationship, you are having a lot of dreams and goals, expectations for your future, expectations in your career or in your relationship. So some kind of you are living in your fantasy world, expecting things to go in a magical way, guys. But for some of you that is coming true, guys. So in your career situation, things are going to be really, you may see some coincidences. Maybe when you are just expecting certain things to go in a particular way, it may be going in that particular way, something unexpected, but which is going to make you really happy, truly happy. So you are stepping up into a deeper commitment in your career situation. So you may have a new job, a new offer or an opportunity reaching you, giving you lucrative returns, or it may be a new relationship. So you are stepping into a deeper responsibility or a greater responsibility in your relationship. Maybe you are having a deep connection with this person. Maybe they are proposing to you or you are proposing to them. So this relationship may move towards marriage or engagement. And also, guys, Scorpios, your dreams and expectations are manifesting today. So maybe in your work you expected certain projects or certain lucrative returns, and you see that manifesting and you are happy for it. And maybe in this relationship you expected, or your dream person, the qualities of that dream person, that is what you see with the person you love. Maybe they are just like the person of your dreams. Maybe if you are open to a new relationship, you are getting someone matching your dreams. So that dream person is coming true towards you, guys, Scorpios. And maybe if you are already in a connection, the qualities you expected for the person you love, maybe the expectations you had, all that is coming true as you come to know about this person more deeply. You see them as someone, a wonderful person, someone lovely, and you are truly in love with them, and you feel really happy, blessed to be in this connection with this person. And for some of you, you are getting a good news also, guys. So maybe they are interested in you, this dream person, they are also interested in you, they want marriage, or it may be a good news in your career situation. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. It is Fox. So it is a negative card here, guys. So maybe if you are new to this connection, if you are in a new connection, Scorpios, you have to be careful. You have to go take it slow. Maybe try to understand this person, because this is a negative card we have here. This card stands for someone who is deceiving, trying to deceive you. So you have to be careful if you are in a new connection, guys, Scorpios. So the card for your career situation, guys, it is book. So in your career situation, all that was not clear for you. Maybe some confusion you had in your work regarding what needs to be done or what choices to be made. So you are going to see things more clearly now, guys, Scorpios. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Scorpios. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes, choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. We will keep the second card aside. So we will see what is this card, the first card. It is Celestite. So it is a crystal spirits card, guys, and with this crystal spirit, it stands for divine energy and clear channels of communication. So maybe today you are in a circumstance you need to communicate about yourself, or you want to communicate to someone close to you about something, and today you will get angels or guides who understand you, who send you love and come with a helping attitude to help you with any specific challenges you are facing in this relationship, guys. Maybe you need clear communication, and this angels, crystal spirits angels guidance is helping you to communicate your deep thoughts with this person. So you may get help. For some of you, it may be some kind of a thought, a subconscious thought, something that comes out of on its own, something telling you. It may be like an intuition or some kind of a sign. Or for some of you, it may be this angel's guidance may come through a friend or a teacher or healer who will connect you with that person with whom you need to have that open communication, guys. And this angel's guidance will come to you through strangers or through some people whom you whom you have never met before. So you need to be really attentive, guys, to receive this guidance or help that is coming towards you. And all you need to do is just pray honestly, request honestly deep inside your heart if you need any help today, and that is going to reach you immediately, guys. So that is the energy with this card, the Celestite crystal spirit, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, it is building blocks. So in our situation, guys, in our relationship today, you are moving into a very a situation where you are trying to solidify the relationship you already have, or you are attracting new relationships with where you'll be able to build a strong foundation based on honesty, clear communication, and genuine desire to understand each other. So you are, what to say, working towards laying that groundwork for this relationship, where you will be able to build that firm footing that will ensure that this relationship will last, will withstand any storm that you are facing. So whatever troubles or whatever arguments or misunderstandings that may come in this relationship, you both will be able to withstand all that if you have a firm foundation built on trust, honesty, love, and clear communication. So only that is going to make this relationship a positive working one, guys. So for those who chose this card stands for strengthening and also repairing. Maybe you need to communicate with this person, or you need to understand them, build that strength in this connection. This is the time for that. So you both are going to be stronger, wiser, and powerful together than apart. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys, for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.